guys, so welcome back to my channel. Thank you for tuning in. I'm Mercy Lucci and I make videos on natural skincare. So if this is your first time tuning in, thank you so much. This should not be your last. Please kindly subscribe to this video, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for always checking by. So in this video, I'm just so elated with the mixtures I'm going to be showing you. Like, this works so very well, so fast, and it works like magic, and your skin is going to love it and it will thank you for it. So if you're interested in this video, let's keep watching. The major ingredients for this face scrub is lemon. Lemon is a great source for vitamin C and citric acid, which are chiefly responsible for lightening and toning the skin. Vitamin C boosts collagen production that makes the skin look younger. Collagen is a vital element for skin elasticity and firmness. Lemon's antioxidant properties protect the skin against harmful free radicals, thereby reducing fine line and wrinkles. Isn't this great? This is a must try, I know, right? The next item here is our honey, which is to enable the skin deeply moisturized. And lastly is our sugar. So you cut the lemon into two equal halves. Make sure the lemon has enough liquid for this process. Next, squeeze in your lemon into your scooped sugar. I made use of just one of the halves. The liquid from one portion of the lemon was just enough. Lastly, remember to remove the seeds, then thoroughly mix. This is just a simple method. And now I'm adding a teaspoon of honey. It is not advisable to directly apply lemon juice to your skin. It can result in skin irritation and even sunburns. So, adding honey to your lemon mix is a great lifesaver. Continue to mix. Mix until well and smoothly blended together. So, this is our mixture now. The final result of our mixture. You can see the consistency is giving. So easy to apply on your face. Let's apply now. This is so nice. I just like how the mixture was able to easily combine together. So this is a must try for you, okay? All right, so gently apply it into your face. So I made sure everything went into my skin. Nothing was waste. So it's so simple. The method is so simple. Yeah. The method is so simple. It's very easy to use. It's comfortable. Yeah, it's not going to stir up any reaction or irritation on your skin. Once you apply it, it just sits so well on your skin. Ensure it goes even. Ensure it's you apply it evenly all around your face. No place left. Yeah, you could also apply it in your body and allow it to sit for a while. Okay, for this mixture, I'm going to be allowing it to sit for just 25 minutes. Yeah, 20 to 25 minutes. And once it's 25 minutes, I'm going to wash it off and you're going to see my face. see you soon. All right, so I finally washed it off, and my skin is just so thankful right now. Yeah, please, when you are trying out this mixture, don't just try it for once and come back and tell me it's not working. No, do it at least twice a week. Yes, do it at least twice a week. Could do it up to 4 times, up to 5 times. This particular mixture is so skin friendly. It's not something that's going to be harsh on your skin. It's not something that's going to damage your skin or something that it's going to make your skin feel somehow, right? So ensure you make use of it, ensure you try this mixture and let me know your thoughts in this video. All right, guys, so thank you so much for watching with me to the end. I'm super grateful. So if you've not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel right now, right away. Please, I'm going to be bringing amazing videos to you on how I take care of my skin, and I'm super hopeful that it's going to work for you. Okay, so also turn on the notification bell to get my videos once they drop, and like this video, please, guys. Thumbs up this video, like this video. Thank you so much for staying with me to the end, and I will see you in my subsequent videos. Have a nice time.